Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy M14 5G, a modified version of its previously unveiled affordable smartphone, the Galaxy A14 5G. The Galaxy M14 5G is currently available in Ukraine and is expected to be launched in other countries in the coming months. The device shares most of the same specifications as the Galaxy A14 5G, but it boasts a larger battery. The Galaxy M14 5G comes with a 6.6-inch PLS LCD display that offers full HD+ resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It also features a 13-megapixel selfie camera on the front that is capable of recording 1080p 30 frames per second videos. At the back, the smartphone is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera with autofocus, as well as a 2MP depth sensor and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The rear camera can also record videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. One of the most notable features of the Galaxy M14 5G is its 6000 mAh battery, which is expected to provide a long-lasting performance of up to a couple of days with light to moderate usage. However, Samsung has limited fast charging to 15 watt. The device is powered by the Exynos 1330 processor, which boasts 2 high-performance CPU cores, representing a significant upgrade from the previous generation Exynos 850 chipset that was commonly used in Samsung's affordable smartphones. The Galaxy M14 5G has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB 128 GB of internal storage, and a microSD card slot for expandable storage. The Galaxy M14 5G comes equipped with various connectivity features, including GPS, a dual SIM card slot, sub-6 GHz 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, a USB 2.0 Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The smartphone runs on the Android 13-based One UI 5.0 software out of the box and is expected to receive 3 major Android OS updates. It also features a side-mounted fingerprint reader for easy and secure access. The device is available in 3 color options: blue, dark blue, and silver.